Yeah, good morning, guys. So, last class, I guess the last question was question number 5. Question number 5, which was given as homework. Time taken for the 6th unit. It is equal to time taken for 6 units minus time taken for 5 units. And answer should be 7.5. 7.5, 7.6 is fine. I guess I gave the answer as well. And you were supposed to do the calculations. I hope you got this. Clear? Now in the exam, log table will not be given. कौन सा table will not be given? Or anti-log table. Still problem will come from learning curve. How to do in this case we'll understand now. Question number 6. We'll complete this topic today. Question number 6. I want you to read. I'll give you 2 minutes. Please read the problem. Then I will read. Please read the problem. Question number 6. ठीक है ऑन द बोर्ड क्वेश्चन नंबर क्या है ओके लिसन व्हाट इज आस्क्ड ही इज आस्किंग टाइम रिक्वायर्ड फ्रॉम यूनिट नंबर 41 to unit number 60 क्लियर इफ आई डू डबल 1 का डबल क्या होता 2 का डबल 4 का डबल 8 का डबल 16 का डबल 32 का डबल you cannot do with our previous knowledge because that previous knowledge will work out only when the production gets doubled. अब एक बात बोलो, give me the headings of those columns which we did. Louder यार. Units, average time per unit, और क्या था total time, incremental time. A into B ऐसी था ना बाबा. चलो अब क्या पूछ रहा हूं यूनिट्स फ्रॉम टाइम फ्रॉम यूनिट्स. सो आई विल कैलकुलेट फॉर 40 and 60. I will calculate total time for 40 units. I'll calculate total time for 6 units. The difference will give me time from 41 to 60. Do you agree with this concept first? I'll calculate total time for 40, total time for 60. The difference will give me 41 to 60. Shall I start? या देखो, don't copy anything. ये वर्किंग नोट 1 हो गया, ये वर्किंग नोट 2 हो गया. Let me start with working note 1. Everyone on the screen. फॉर्मूला क्या है? log बोलो लाउडर रे. log y is equals to log a plus అవుना कादा అవును సార్. इसमें we are taking units as 40 कदरा बाबा. We are taking units as 40. We have to find out y. A అంటే ఏంటి? టైం టేకెన్ ఫర్ ఫస్ట్ యూనిట్. వాడు ఇస్తాడు చూడండి, చక్కరు బాబా 100. ఓకే, एक्स ఎంత? सुपर. बी का फॉर्मूला क्या है? log LCR by log 2. log LCR by that is given in the problem. check करो. कितना इच्छाड़ कदरा चेक करो बाबा -0.322 now do one thing how many problems we did for logarithm still now 2 कौन से थे चेक करो क्वेश्चन नंबर बोला मेरे को हाँ 9 go to 9 अक्कड़ा what was learning curve ratio लाउडर वहां पे वैल्यू ऑफ बी कितना आया था सॉल्यूशन लो అదే వచ్చింది ఇక్కడ కూడా డైరెక్ట్లీ ఇచ్చాడు వాడు ఐఎమ్ జస్ట్ షోయింగ్ యూ వాట్ హీ గేవ్ we also did this calculation we got -0.3219 whatever it is he gave directly -0.322 am I clear चलो सब्स्टिट्यूट फार्मूला बोलो वापस log y log 100 plus minus 0.322 into log 40 am I clear चलो we are not seeing the log table because question में examination में log table will not be given सुनो log 100 2 plus of minus 3.22 log 40 चेक करो log 40 इच्छाड़ा क्वेश्चन में चेक करो log 40 इच्छाड़ा लाउडर now do one thing यहां देखो ये क्या है multiply something into something to get 40 multiply something into something to get 40 10 into 4 10 log 40 is equals to log 10 plus log 4 बाबा log AB is equals to log A plus log B कदरा log 10 ఎంత 1 log 4 ఇచ్చాడా చూడండి log 4 ఇచ్చాడా ఇవ్వలేదు log 2 ఇచ్చాడా can I write log 4 as log 2 square 2 log 2 అట్లా చేయాలి ఎగ్జామ్ లో వాడు డైరెక్ట్లీ log 40 नहीं देता something have to done so that I get the value of log 40 అర్థమైందా ఈ మాట డైరెక్ట్లీ log 40 नहीं देता सर he will give some logs we have to ensure that we do some calculation to get log 40 अब बोलो कैसा करते log 40 को लाउडर है log 40 is equals to log 10 plus log 4 okay log 10 plus log 2 square log 10 plus 2 log 2 log 10 is 1 2 into log 2 is given 0. Please multiply and give me the answer. Plus 1 baba. 1.602. Vinandi. 1.602. Now listen. Assume. Kya? Let us verify with log table for our knowledge whether this value is correct. Stop. Kya hai? How many digits? So em rayali 1 point ఇది కరెక్ట్ ఇది ఎక్కడ చూడాలి ఇప్పుడు 40 అండర్ చెక్ కరో I am just clarifying our answer is correct आपको समझा रहा हूं सर कैसा करते एग्जाम में without using log tables we'll do all problems today without using log tables you don't worry I'll teach you how to do that यहां तक क्लियर ये दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करके +2 करो लाउडर log y is equals to 1.48, y is equals to chalo, stop. One good news in the exam, louder. One ఈ వాల్యూ క్వశ్చన్ లో ఇవ్వాలి. We cannot do anything. This value has to be given. Check karo, it has to be given. It means our answer is correct. It means our answer is correct. Kitara 30.4 idi minutes, not hours. This is minutes. Now just to confirm my answer is correct, let us check with anti-lock table. Anti-lock table open karo. यहाँ देखो अंडर 48 अंडर 4 చూడండి. अंडर 48 अंडर 4 30 अंडर 1 तो 3049 30 decimal will be 1 plus 1 2 digits. ये कल लास्ट सेशन में कराया था ना बाबा ये सब. So answer is 30.48. यहाँ देखो अब 30.48 minutes. मल्टीप्लाई करो 1219.2. This is the answer. What is the answer? Incremental time is the answer. Will you try for, louder ray, will you try for 60? The only difference क्या ये, it will be log 60. Log, give me something to get 60 product. 10 into 6. Log 10 ఎంత, log 6 ఇచ్చాడా చూడండి. 6 can I write 2 into 3? So log 2 plus log 10 plus log 2 plus log 3. Log 10 plus log 2 plus log 3. With that you will do all this calculation, you will get this value. You multiply, the difference should be the increment. If you try, you will understand how to do in exam. अगर आप बोलते I'll do in 1 minute, क्या करना है बोलो. You will try working note number 2. Before that, read the problem once again for better clarification. Read the problem once again for better clarification. Please read the problem once again. Once you are done with this, do working note number 2 for 60 units. So what is y when x is 60 units? Yeah, 26 point. The good point is it is given in the problem already. It is given in the problem only. Multiply karo. 16 minus karo. 385 point minutes is the answer. I repeat, log 60 should be written as log 10 plus log 2 plus log 3. Then you will get the answer. You should remember log 10 is always 1, log 100 is 2, log 1000 is 3 and it keeps on going. 10 का multiply करके गए तो it keeps on going. Is this problem clear? अब समझ में रहा, we can do the problems without using log tables also. Guys, कुछ भी डाउट है तो पूछो यार, it's okay. Because tomorrow we are starting with simulation. Material will be given to by them to you. Okay. I am doing 3 times more the problems what you have in your study material. All models will be covered. You don't worry. ठीक है. ये कौन सा क्वेश्चन था? बोलो रे. 6th. Please come to question number 11. Question number 11. Please read the problem. Please read the problem. Question number 11. I'll read. Everyone on the screen. The product will have a life cycle of 5,000 units. बोलता I can sell 5,000 units of that product. After that product becomes LAPSC. The product becomes DISTINCT. Distinct. It is estimated that market can absorb the first 4,500 units at the rate of 64 per unit, and the product will enter the dash stage of life cycle. Decline. Well, remember what is my selling price per unit? Louder here. But the last 500 units I cannot sell at 64 because the product is at which stage? Decline. I don't know whether you have covered this in strategic management in intermediate. The product will have 4 life cycle: introduction, growth, maturity, and decline. Introduction, growth, maturity, decline. The product now has entered decline stage. The company estimated the following cost structure: direct labor 6 per hour. But I am paying to my worker 6 रुपए per घंटा, and direct material cost, variable cost is 19 per unit. Fixed cost is over the life cycle of the product. The labor rate of the both costs will not change throughout the product life cycle. The first batch of, underline first batch of 100 units. Arrow mark down and right. One batch is 100 units. Correct? यहाँ देखो, one batch, बोलो ये 5,000 units ante any batches? हाँ? कैसा रे? अच्छे से बोलो रे. So लिखो total number of batches. 5,000 units कहाँ से आया? वाड़े इच्छाट कदरा. Total number of batches. ये डायग्राम उतारो, ये उतारो. One batch is 100 units. 5,000 units question mark is equals to कितने batches आ रहा? 50 batches. Okay. Now listen. यहाँ तक clear? I am just explaining the question first. यहाँ देखो अब. You are studying assuming direct taxes. Direct tax. Group 3 में चाहता. Group 3. First revision will take. Give me some number of days. कुछ भी days. 10 days. Second revision will take 7 days. Third revision will take. Right. Fourth. 100th revision will take. At a point it becomes constant. I can't say 100th revision will take 1 hour. That's not possible. So learning curve, your time keeps on decrease. At a certain level it becomes constant. Uske baad no matter what happens, you will take the same time. Put a question up. The first batch of will take underline 1,000 hours. Chinue. Adi ek adra. There will be 80% learning curve. Stop. 80% learning curve with the last problem also 80%, no? What was value of B? Minus? ఇక్కడ ఇచ్చాడు. यहाँ भी दे दिया ना बाबा वो वैल्यू minus 0.322. हाँ चलो. Learning curve that will continue until 2,500 units have been produced. Batches after this level will each take same amount of time as of बोले तो worker is manufacturing the product. Batch 1, batch 2, batch 3, batch. Time keeps on till 25th batch. ఇక్కడ నుంచి 50th batch. ఇక్కడ నుంచి time remains constant. Am I clear with this? Time is decreasing only for the first 25 batches. After that the time remains constant. This only will happen practically. You can't expect that time keeps on डिक्रीजिंग, ऐसा नहीं होता. नेक्स्ट, द बैच साइज इज ऑलवेज ऑफ. ओके, cumulative average time per batch for the first 25 batches. वापस बोलो, cumulative average time per batch for 25 batches. You know what is he asking? Wait, क्वेश्चन नंबर बोलो. क्वेश्चन नंबर मेरे को कॉलम्स बोलो. यहां बैचेस लिखना है, యూనిట్స్ లేదు కదరా బాబా, ఇక్కడ బ్యాచెస్. నెక్స్ట్, పర్ యూనిట్ కాదురా రే, పర్ బ్యాచ్. నెక్స్ట్, టోటల్ టైం, ఇంక్రిమెంటల్ టైం. బ్యాచెస్ 20, వాడికి ఈ వాల్యూ కావాలి. దిస్ ఈజ్ యర్ ఫస్ట్ బిట్, దిస్ ఈజ్ యర్ फर्स्ट बिट आंसर. चेक करो फर्स्ट बिट वापस क्या पूछ रहा. ही इज नॉट आस्किंग टोटल टाइम फॉर 25 बैचेस, ही इज आस्किंग एवरेज टाइम फॉर 25 बैचेस. बोल तो ये होना मेरे को. स्टार्ट करो, स्टार्ट करो. वर्किंग नॉट 1. यहां देखते जाओ, मेरे को फॉर्मूला बोलो रे. log y इज इक्वल्स टू log a प्लस b log x. x is equals to 25 batches. x is equals to, ठीक है. ओके, a 1000 दिया ना बाबा. b माइनस 0.322 कंटिन्यू చేయాలా. चलो अब सब्स्टिट्यूट करो. log 1000 plus of minus into log 25. log 1000 is 3. ఇప్పుడు వినండి, ఇదేంటి చెక్ కరో. log 25 వాల్యూ ఇచ్చాడా. which values are given? log 5 दिया और log 2 दिया. Remember first point, log 2 you have to by heart. log 2 has to be by heart, there is no other option. 0.3010 और कुछ भी by heart ना करो एग्जाम के लिए, but log 2 you have to remember. Okay, हाँ, log can write as 5 square 5, then can write as 2 log 5. That's how you continue the problem. Directly log 25 नहीं देता हूं. समथिंग हैज टू बी डन टू गेट द वैल्यू. हाँ चलो, कैसे सब्स्टिट्यूट करते बोलो रे. 3 प्लस ऑफ लाउडर रे, प्लस ऑफ माइनस इंटू log 5 स्क्वेयर इज इक्वल टू 3 प्लस ऑफ माइनस 2 log 5. log 5 वैल्यू 0.1 second for your knowledge. For your knowledge, once again, क्या है 0 point. बाबा अब कहाँ चेक करना. लॉक टेबल లో ఇది 50 అండర్ చెక్ చేయండి. ఇదే ఉందా, అది ఆల్మోస్ట్ 6990 వాడు 89 చెప్పాడు. ఓకే దట్స్ ఫైన్. मल्टीप्लाई करो ये तीनों, -3 करो. वैल्यू बोलो log y का 2.5498. y is equals to 2.5498. इसका वैल्यू दिया क्या, चेक करो. 5498 दिया ना. y is equals to 354.7 hours given. This is given in the problem. I am not assuming anything. Clear? Louder guys, clear? अब यहाँ मल्टीप्लाई करो 354.7 मल्टीप्लाई करो 8867.5 hours. clear, but answer is not this, answer is this. Clear? Read the second bit. Stop now. ఇది ఏంటి? వాటికి 25th బ్యాచ్ కి కావాలంట. లైక్ వి డిడ్ ఇన్ ద ప్రీవియస్ క్లాస్, టైం టేకెన్ ఫర్ 6th యూనిట్ ఎట్లా వస్తుందిరా? टाइम टेकन फॉर 6th यूनिट कैसा आता? टाइम टेकन फॉर 6 यूनिट्स माइनस टाइम टेकन फॉर 5 यूनिट्स. ही वांट्स फॉर 25th बैच, कैसा आना? टाइम टेकन फॉर 25 बैचेस माइनस टाइम टेकन फॉर 24 बैचेस कदरा. सो अब 24 दिस इज गिवन. हेलो, कितना है? पॉइंट इंक्रीमेंटल करो. That is the time taken for 25th batch. टाइम टेकन फॉर. यहां तक स्टोरी क्लियर गाइस, यहां तक स्टोरी क्लियर. बिफोर आई कंटिन्यू, रीड द प्रॉब्लम टिल सेकंड बिट, बिकॉज देन आई विल स्टार्ट द थर्ड बिट. ठीक है, ठीक है. बिफोर आई स्टार्ट बिट नंबर 3, आई वांट सम कैलकुलेशन फर्स्ट. हेडिंग पढ़ो. I want this calculation. I want someone to help me with this. Time required to calculate or produce 50 batches. Listen, I'll give you 2 ways of doing this. First 24 batches enta time తీసుకుంది? कितना time लिया? यहां से बोलो. First 24 batches took how much time? 8625.6. उसके बाद each batch will take same time. From 25th batch to 50th batch, each batch will take. What is time taken by 25th batch? Louder yaar. So the next 26 batches will be 26 into 241.9 hours. बोलो. 6289.4 मल्टीप्लाई, ऐड करो. 14,540. I'm sorry. 14,950. 14,915. ठीक है. I have another way of doing this. What is time taken for the first 25 batches? Louder. 8867.5. Next 25 batches will take how much for each batch? 241 into 25. If the answer is not matching, I will stop teaching. कितारा no ये कितारा 60 is the answer matching. बोलो यार, यहाँ तक clear? Now let us read the bit number 3. Everyone on the screen. Average selling price of financial का दो financial कैसा आता रे? Final. ठीक है, एक बात याद रखो, अब go above ये क्या है? At the rate of, underline and write, sale value for the first 4,500 units is equals to, sale value for the first 4,500 units is equals to, दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करके आंसर दियो, दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करके आंसर दियो. 2,88,000. ओके, चलो ऑन द स्क्रीन. हाँ, पढ़ो क्वेश्चन अब. एवरेज सेलिंग प्राइस दैट कंपनी विल हाव टू अर्न अ टोटल प्रॉफिट ऑफ 80,000 फ्रॉम दी प्रोडक्ट बोलते एनी यूनिट्स 5,000 units. The only formula you should remember for your exam in costing is sales is equals to, louder yaar, sales is equals to cost plus profit. यहाँ तक क्लियर? यहाँ सुन देखते जाओ बस. ఈ ప్రాబ్లంలో ఎన్ని కాస్ట్ ఇచ్చాడు? రెండు కాస్ట్ ఇచ్చాడు సార్. డైరెక్ట్ లేబర్ ఇచ్చాడు, వేరియబుల్ కాస్ట్ ఇచ్చాడు, ప్లస్ ఏమి ఇచ్చాడు? ప్రాఫిట్ ఇచ్చాడు. am I clear? డైరెక్ట్ లేబర్ how much per hour? 14,915 hours into 6. am I clear with this? hello, ये करे ना रे. plus what is variable cost per unit? how many units? units baba 5,000 kada into 19. multiply करो, add करो, whatever. listen, plus क्या है? 80,000 वाड़े इच्छाडू. I am not assuming anything. निकालो sales. sales निकालो बाबा. 2,64,000 कैसा आता मैडम? 2,64,000 వస్తుందా? 2,64,490. This is sales for 5,000. उसमें what is the sale value for the first 4,500 units? 2 lakh. कुछ मिस करे रे तुम लोग फिर. हाँ, sorry. So that's what. How can it be? Fixed cost was missing. Plus fixed cost. Plus कितना fixed cost? 40,000. So this becomes 3,04,490. हाँ, correct. Sale value क्या है for the first 4,500 units? 2,88,000. माइनस करो. Sale value for 500 units. 16,000. What will be the selling price per unit then? 32.98. What is your normal selling price? 64. But you're selling at 32 point because your product has entered decline stage. This is a standard question which can be asked in the exam. Again, this problem was done without using log tables. an exam में log table नहीं देता हूं. We did for our knowledge agreed, but this how it will be given. You should know both. Log table दिया तो well and good. नहीं दिया तो something like this will be given. But some values has to be given. Without that, he will not give problem on learning curve, because you cannot become. We don't expect you to buy out those values. That's not possible. Any doubts on the question first? एक बार वापस क्वेश्चन पढ़ो, then start copying. You should know what you are writing, sir. Please. The peculiar point in this problem is the time keeps on decreasing till 25th batch. Thereafter, the time taken remains constant, and that is what happens. You can't expect that it keeps on decreasing forever. वैसा नहीं होता. यहाँ देखो क्या? Can I scroll? Everyone, start till here now. Now listen. Why did we calculate this? बाबा ये कैलकुलेट क्यों करे? To find out labor cost. ये find out क्यों करे? To find out labor cost. There is a reason why we just don't do what we want. There is a reason to find out why we are doing these calculations. Okay. मैं वापिस बोल रहा हूँ सर, I am a layman in this subject. I am learning the subject, you also learn with me. I will treat you as equivalent to me. I also do not know, you also do not know. We are coming here to learn. That's enough. And just to clarify, am I supposed to do study material problems, scanner problems, और कौन से बुक्स आते हैं आप लोग को? Study material and scanner not required. Everything I am covering. I am covering scanner also, study material problems also. You need not worry about it. ये कहां से आया? अरे 2,88,000. You kept it ready in your material. 4,500 into 64, I guess. Okay. हो गया? नहीं हुआ? ओके. डन? नहीं? ठीक है, ठीक है. दिस वॉज प्रॉब्लम नंबर कौन सा था रे? 11. कम टू 14. कम टू 14. 12 हो गया ना रे? पहले ही चेक करो. वी रीड दैट PQ हैज 2 ऑप्शंस. करे थे ना रे वो प्रॉब्लम? हाँ, ओके. कम टू 14. चलो, again 2 minutes, read the problem. Again I am repeating, first time you will read. When I start, it should be a second time of reading the problem, so that you understand the difference, how you read, how it should be interpreted. Read question number 14. This is taken from ICAI question bank. ICAI question bank, but important model.
ठीक है, on the screen. Exactly similar to the previous problem. There the time keeps on reducing till how many batches? 25. After the time remains, ikkada the time keeps reducing till how many units? 250 units. Thereafter the time remains constant. वो problem में how many batches were there? How many batches? 50. Here there are 1000 units. 1000 units. Learning curve ratio was 80% there. यहाँ 90, 80 छे, and this value remains same, minus 0.3219. Underline 40 hours, Chinnu A. That's the time taken for first unit. Okay. Okay, yeah, that's fine. Underline 96 per hour, rate per hour. प्रीवियस प्रॉब्लम में कितना था? 6 पर आवर था शायद ना रे, 6 रुपीज था ना. यहां कितना है? 96. ओके. कैलकुलेट द स्टैंडर्ड आवर्स एक्सपेक्टेड ओवर 1000 यूनिट्स. यहां देखो बट, यहां देखो, अब यहां देखो, प्लीज सुनो, लॉजिक समझाता हूं, सुनो. क्या होना फर्स्ट बिट में? फर्स्ट बिट में क्या होना? टाइम रिक्वायर्ड टू प्रोड्यूस 1000 यूनिट्स. क्लियर? वन थिंग इज फर्स्ट. For the first learning curve concept applies. For the next there is no learning curve and the time taken is exactly similar to 250th unit. So what I want now is, I want time required for 250th unit. ఎట్లా వస్తుంది సార్? क्या बाबा? Total time for 250 units minus total time for 249 units. అవునా కాదా? If I get this, everything else remains, everything else we get. Because I want the time for this. This is important because uske baad the time remains constant. So naku adi kavali. Okay. Let us do this with working note 1. Let us do this working note 2. I will do 1, you will do 2. So now working note 1. నాకు ఫార్ములా చెప్పండి. లౌడర్ రే. లాగ్ ఏ ప్లస్, చలో, వై తెలియదు, ఏ ఎంత? లౌడర్ యార్, 40 hours. బి ఎంత? 3219. ఎక్స్ ఎంత? 250. But if you observe the problem, क्या है? log 250 ఇచ్చాడా? log values ఇచ్చాడా? अब चेक करो log values दिया क्या? दिया नहीं दिया? बाबा चेक करो. Now see another way of doing the problem then. पढ़ो रे, ये पढ़ो बाबा. क्या है? ओके. विदाउट लॉग व्हाट विल बी द फॉर्मूला? विदाउट लॉग फॉर्मूला क्या होता? y इज इक्वल्स टू ax to the power of b. నాకు y తెలియదు. a ఎంత? 40. x ఎంత? 250. b ఎంత? ఆ వాల్యూ ఇచ్చాడు. मैं वापस समझा रहा हूं, आई एम डूइंग वेराइटीज ऑफ मॉडल्स. यहां लॉग वैल्यू नहीं दिया, बट क्या दिया, 250 टू द पावर ऑफ माइनस जो भी वैल्यू है उसका वैल्यू बोलो. 0.16 y. Y is equals to 6.764 hours. ये y क्या होता, एवरेज टाइम पर यूनिट टू प्रोड्यूस 250 units. Therefore total time is equals to 6.764 hours into 250 units. 1691 hour. ఇది వచ్చేసింది. Am I clear? You know one more good thing. ये क्या है, లౌడర్. ఇక్కడ కూడా అదే రాయాలి. ఓకే, వెన్ ఐ గెట్ ద లౌడర్ ఇంటూ 750 ఇంటూ, because that will be the time taken for the 750 units also. Clear? Will you filling the blanks then? Can you do working note number 2? क्या difference है, x will be 249, x will be, so he has to give me 249 into this value. Check करो इच्छाड़ा, else everything else you can do then. सुनो अब, because I want you to try. सुनो, once you get, you will deduct, you get some value. यहां पे we automatically write 1691 250th यूनिट जो भी लेता into 750. Okay, and we add. That will give me the problem answer for the first bit. Clear? It is like equal to, we calculate last problem में time required for 5000 units or 50 batches. 5000 units or 50 batches. Read the problem once again now. ये क्या हो रहा है? What is this happening? Why it's not happening? 1 second. Start करो copy करना and call him. I don't know why it's happening. Oh, come here. Do one thing. Switch off say మళ్ళీ ఆన్ చేయి. మళ్ళీ ఆన్ చేయి. गाइस ठीक है यहाँ तक. Shall I do your trying? पहले वो बोलो रे. हाँ डन है. अब्बा इतनी जल्दी हो गया. हाँ कितना आया? ना ये बोलो टोटल टाइम फॉर 249 फर्स्ट. 1686.2 228 2 बस है. हाँ कितना? 4.7. ठीक है मल्टीप्लाई करो यहाँ पे 4.7 3579 टोटल करो 52. That is the answer for the first bit, please. Please son confirm. That's the answer for the first bit. 5270 hours. चलो सुनो हो गया गाइस हो गया. या सुनो सुनो नॉट डन. सुनो how many hours should my workers take to produce 1000 units? 5 to louder 5 to 70. Second bit. If the actual hours were 6000. Stop. कितने घंटे काम करना था? 5 to 7. कितने घंटे काम करे? Chiller workers. My workers are chiller. They worked more than what was expected during the hours they were on WhatsApp. How many extra hours they worked? How many extra hours they worked? 7:30. ఒక గంటకి ఎంత డబ్బులు ఇస్తున్నా? into 96 70,000. అంత కాస్ట్ నా ఇంక్రీజ్ అయింది అవునా కాదా? దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ లేబర్ ఎఫిషియన్సీ వేరియన్స్. వెల్కమ్ టు స్టాండర్డ్ కాస్టింగ్. దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ లేబర్ SH minus AH into SR. God knows casting में क्या करे. You have in final also. SH minus into SR. Part of second bit once again. If actual hours were compute the labor efficiency variance for how many units? In your IPCC or intermediate labor formula ये था SH minus AH into SR. This should have taken. This is actual time taken. అవునా కాదా रे? क्या है अब बोलो. SH कितना होता? 5000 to 70 minus 6 into rate per hour. ఎంత? 70,000. You will write A in the bracket.
adverse because it is negative. Negative also logical only. Clear? Bit number C. Read the third bit. I'll read. Without learning curve application, how much would have been reported the efficiency variance taking the standard time as expected time for the first unit? ante suno ye kya hai? Labor. This is with learning curve. He is asking what will be the answer without learning curve. Formula remains same. AH ఎంత 6 into 96. ఇదేంటి? 1 unit takes, first unit takes, louder 1000 units takes. ఈ మాట అర్థమైందా? If there is no learning curve, the first unit and the last unit takes same time kadra baba. Learning curve nahi hai to first unit, second unit, third unit, fourth unit and the nth unit will take the same time. So kitara 40,000 multiply karo. And this will be F. Favorable. According to me, answer is done. But few companies are of the opinion my efficiency variance is. Few companies says my efficiency variance is. This is logically correct. Because in standard costing there is an assumption that the first unit and the take the same. I guess this is what you were taught at intermediate level. 1 unit take this many, balance how many, because standard hours is always calculated for actual output. Standard hours are always calculated for actual production or actual output. Standard costing में I am very good, वो बाद में पता चलता है आप लोग को जो भी है. Is this clear? Read the third bit once again then and copy these two. Have your intermediate notes, you can check the formula of efficiency variance. This only will be the formula. I am not doing something Newton's law here. जो आप पढ़े वही पढ़ा रहा. हो गया गाइस डन चेक डन ठीक है अगेन आई एम आस्किंग इज इट डन फाइन ये कौन सा क्वेश्चन नंबर था चेक करो वी आर नाउ लेफ्ट विथ ओनली 2 more problems टेल मी विच आर दोस 2 you should tell me only those problems which do not have answers. Yes sir.
13 and 9. Oh, I'm sorry. 15 and 13. 13 solution ఉంది కదరా, అదని చెప్పండి చూడండి. 15 and only 15, फिर 13 13 कर रहे. 13 आंसर है, अब फिर 13 13 का यू कर रहे बार हर बार. इट इज 8 and 15. 9th हो गया ना अरे लास्ट क्लास में. 9th भी अरे आप टिक करो बाबा क्वेश्चंस को. बेटर इट इज ऑन द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक. कीप ऑन टिकिंग. सो you should tell me कौन से क्वेश्चंस हुए. हाउ वुड आई नो? 8 and 15. So no, 8 and 8 I will do. 15 का solution will be given to you after the class. 8 I'll do right now. 15 का solution you read, go through, any doubts we can cover it tomorrow. I'll do now 8. चलो आ जाओ. Listen, फॉर्मूला बोलो कोई भी. log y is equals to a and t, time taken for, that has to be given in the problem. In any problem we did, a was. See this problem now. A company has a contract to serve 25 units. The learning curve is 90%. By the time they remembered the record the time, it was 12 hours for. How much time would have taken for the first unit? This is opposite, ulta question. What is not given? A is not given. A is not given. Adi calculate cheyali. समझ में आ रहा क्वेश्चन एटलीस्ट. टाइम टेकन फॉर 15 यूनिट ఎంత? लाउडर लाउडर. यूज योर BRAINS. फर्स्ट यूनिट विल टेक मोर आवर्स और लेस आवर्स? डेफिनेटली आंसर शुड बी मोर देन 12 आवर्स. फर्स्ट यूनिट विल डेफिनेटली टेक मोर देन 12 आवर्स, बट हाउ मेनी वी डोंट नो. विल फाइंड आउट. वो प्रोफॉर्मा बोलो रे क्या बब्बा. यूनिट्स यूनिट्स एवरेज टाइम पर यूनिट. टोटल टाइम इंक्रीमेंटल टाइम. లర్నింగ్ కర్వ్ ఎంత? ప్రాబ్లం నంబర్ ఏంటి? 8. ఓకే ఓకే. లెట్ లౌడర్ రే B time taken for first unit. Yes or no? Okay. 1 का डबल 2, 2 का डबल 4. ठीक है. Before that, time taken which unit के लिए दिया हूं? 5th unit. Can I write total time for 5 units minus total time for, ఇది రాయచ్చా? ఇది ఎంత ఇచ్చాడు? 12. Am I clear? This is working not 1, this is working not 2. I am first doing working not 2. I'm first doing working not 2. నాకు ఏం కావాలి? టైం ఫర్ 4 యూనిట్స్. ఓకే. यहाँ क्या लिखते? ए रायल कदरा बाबा. Generally you write time taken for the first unit, which I don't know. I am assuming as A. A into 1. हाँ? A. अब यहाँ क्या लिखते? A into, करे ना बाबा ये सब. ఎంత? 0.9 A into 2 1.8 A. यहाँ क्या लिखते? 0.9 A into 90%. 0. 3.24 వాట్ ఇది వచ్చేసింది. Am I very clear till here? What I want now? What I want now? Louder. Time taken for 5 units. Logic clear. Play logic को समझो यार. बाकी will do. Calculation is not big headache for us. How to do, what to do is important. एक बार you understand what to do, that procedure will remain the same. What I don't know is working note. बोलो रे 1. ठीक है, यहाँ करेंगे वर्किंग नोट 1. एवरीवन ऑन द स्क्रीन. फॉर्मूला बोलो, फॉर्मूला बोलो बाबा. log a plus b log x. y తెలవదు. a is a only because time taken for the first unit. x is 5 units. b log LCR ఎంత? log 90 by log 2 log 0.9 by log 2. Stop. Check करो previous problem. Did we have log 90? previous problem या उसके previous problem में check करो log 90 था क्या? in your material check करो बाबा. प्रीवियस प्रॉब्लम में log 90 था 80 था? उसके प्रीवियस प्रॉब्लम 90 was there in any of the problems? कौन सा प्रॉब्लम? 13 प्रॉब्लम में जाओ. 90 था? हेलो, నాకు b వాల్యూ ఆటోమేటిక్ గా చెప్పండి. -0.15216. समझ में आ रहा? यू वांट मी टू डू, आई विल डू. यहां देखो, ध्यान दियो. I'll tell you how did we get this. ध्यान दियो. log -1 प्लस చేయాలి. -1 प्लस 90 अंडर 0 चेक करो. 90 अंडर 0 लाउडर. 0.95 -1 करो कैलकुलेटर में उसको. हाँ बोलो, అది మైనస్ లో ఉండాలి. డివైడ్ బై log 2 is divide by 0.3010. అదే రావాలి. ఐఎమ్ జస్ట్ షోయింగ్ యూ आवर कैलकुलेशन शुड बी एब्सोल्युटली ऑथेंटिक करेक्ट. ठीक है, चलो देखो कैसे कैलकुलेट करते हैं. सुनो रे, log a will be log a plus of minus into log 5. log 5 how many digits? So it will be 0 point. correct ना रे? 50 under 0 check करो. 6990 multiply చేయండి. हाँ 0.10635 is equals to log y. Clear? Can I write now like this? log ठीक है, log y minus log a. ఇది కరెక్ట్ అవునా కాదా చెప్పండి రా బాబా. ठीक है, ओके, ठीक है. कैन आई राइट लाइक दिस नाउ? log a I have reversed the values. log a minus b, louder है, ए वाई वाई 0 पॉइंट, ठीक है, ए बाई इज इक्वल्स टू एंटी लॉग, ठीक है, यस और नो बोलो यार, ए बाई वाई, यहां चेक करो, कम टू एंटी लॉग टेबल, अंडर 10 अंडर 6, अंडर 10 अंडर 6 1 2 7 6, अंडर 3 1, ऐड करो 1 1 2 7 7 hours, create. Now we should put the point. What is the value? 0 plus 1. I should put the decimal after 1 digit. So 1 चुक्का. Y कैसा आना यहां से? Am I clear with this? What do you mean by Y? Good. Average time per unit to produce 5 units. कितना आया? A by 1.2. So A by 1.277 into 5. అవును కదరా, because that is the average time taken per unit for x units into 5. Ab 12 is equals to 5a by 1.277 minus 3.24a. 12 को 1.277 into 3.24 4.13748 a 5a 12 into 1.277 15 point నాకు ఏ చెప్పండి అంతే. Time taken for first unit. क्या बाबा? 17.76 जो भी आ रहा hours. That's the time taken for first unit. If I set a problem, I'll give you such problems like this in the exam, where what is not given? Time taken for the first unit is not given. ओके अब एक काम करेंगे, एक काम करते, सुनो, जस्ट टू क्लैरिफाई वेदर आर आंसर इज अच्छा राइट ही रहता, छोड़ राइट ही रहता, डोंट वरी. एनी क्वेश्चंस ऑन दिस? एनी क्वेश्चंस ऑन दिस? पूछो बाबा, कुछ है तो कुछ तो पूछो. स्टार्ट देन. Yeah, please, you can collect the answer for which question which was remaining. 15. From him, he will send you a PDF file or WhatsApp, whatever it is. Make sure you write the answer for that. Any doubts, we can cover up any time. But this was an important model. Today we did all the problems where we did not check log tables. We did not check the log tables. Still we did the problems. If this is done, I'll scroll to the next page. हो गया सबका? Shall I scroll? इकडे okay. This is your working note number 1. मैं वापस रिपीट कर रहा हूं. फर्स्ट वी आर कंप्लीटिंग द OR टॉपिक, ऑपरेशनल research. There are 6 topics in that, this being the first. Tomorrow we are starting with simulation. This week we have to complete simulation and assignment. I don't know what you were taught at intermediate level, but I'll assume you don't know anything about those topics. Whether you know or not, it doesn't matter to me. For me, you don't know. वो इंटरमीडिएट में कवर करे थे नहीं कवर करे थे, I don't know. For me, you don't know. With that concept, I'll cover. And tomorrow's topic is more logical. The only request I have, which I already informed, is come on daily basis. Come on daily basis. That's the only request I have. बाकी सब ये सब्जेक्ट मेरे पे छोड़ दो आप लोग. So assignment और simulation हो जाना this weekend, and by month end assignment, simulation and linear programming should be done. So basically till by 31st March 3 more topics should be done. Yeah, any questions please, anyone? Before you enter the class tomorrow, collect the material of simulation please. Again I'm asking, any questions? Anyone? See you tomorrow sir. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. See you tomorrow. Thank you so much.